Hi friends, this video shows how to enable auto call recording for selected numbers. Open this phone app, tap on this phone app icon, go to Recents tab, tap here, tap on these three dots, go to Settings, tap on Record Calls. Let me enable auto call recording, tap here, done. Then tap on Auto Record Calls. Okay, so here right now I have selected this first option, all calls. That means right now phone record call from all numbers. I am going to change that. Set this third option, calls with specific numbers. Those specific numbers we can specify here. Tap on number to auto record. Here we can manually add number or tap on contacts. From contacts we can set numbers for which we need to enable auto call recording. So this way we can enable auto call recording for selected numbers. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.